Okay, I'm going to quickly show you how to print headers on your Excel worksheets. So I've got this worksheet here, I want to print it, and I want to include some headers. So normally you're on your home tab here. We're going to go to the page layout tab, click print titles. So this brings us up. Print area is already defined. We'll leave that as it is. I can choose to repeat rows at the top if I want to include those so that we can see what these columns mean. So what I'm going to do is click in that box, come over here, select the rows I want, 1 through 3, that's good. Columns to repeat at the top, you can also type it in here. So we're going to do A through B. The $sign just means that reference is absolute. So that looks good. Then we're going to go to header and footer. You can pick from this drop down here of shortcuts. Let's say we want to do a custom header. So in the center section, we'll do header test. If you put it in the left section, it'll be left justified. Right section, it'll be right justified. And then for the footer, let's do page 1 of question mark. So that's going to put in the center there, it's going to put page 1 of 1. Then we can just go to print preview. There we go, that's how it's going to look. We got our test up here, we got our page numbers here. We have on every page, we have our column headers repeated. If we scroll down, there we go, we can see these columns are repeating as well. And that's all there is to it.